Michelle Marie Pfeiffer, born April 29, 1958, is an American actress and producer. One of Hollywood's most bankable stars of the 1980s and 1990s, her work has earned her numerous accolades, including a BAFTA Award and a Golden Globe, in addition to nominations for 3 Academy Awards and 3 Primetime Emmy Awards. Pfeiffer began her career in the late 1970s with minor television and film appearances. After landing her first leading role in Grease 2, 1982, her breakthrough came with her portrayal of Elvira Hancock in Scarface, 1983. Mainstream success followed with The Witches of Eastwick, 1987, Tequila Sunrise, 1988, and Married to the Mob, 1988. Her performance in the latter earned Pfeiffer her first of 6 consecutive Golden Globe nominations. She earned consecutive Academy Award nominations, Best Supporting Actress for Dangerous Liaisons, 1988, and Best Actress for The Fabulous Baker Boys, 1989, winning a Golden Globe for the latter. By the early 1990s, Pfeiffer was one of the world's highest-paid actresses. She played Catwoman in Batman Returns, 1992, and received her 3rd Academy Award nomination for Love Field, 1992. She continued to star in prominent films throughout the decade, including Frankie and Johnny, 1991, The Age of Innocence, 1993, and Volf, 1994. Through her production company, Via Rosa Productions, she produced and starred in several films, including Dangerous Minds, 1995. In the 2000s, Pfeiffer reduced her workload to focus on her family, appearing in select projects such as What Lies Beneath 2000, White Oleander 2002, Hairspray, and Stardust, both 2007. Pfeiffer returned to prominence in 2017 with roles in Where is Kyra?, Mother, and Murder on the Orient Express. That same year, she received her first Primetime Emmy Award nomination for the television film The Wizard of Lies, followed by her 8th Golden Globe nomination for French Exit in 2020. Since Ant-Man and the Wasp 2018, Pfeiffer has played Janet Van Dyne in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. As of 2026, she stars as family matriarchs in the streaming television series The Madison and Margot's Got Money Troubles. Her work as both an actor and producer on the latter earned her to Primetime Emmy Award nominations. Michelle Marie Pfeiffer was born on April 29, 1958, in Santa Ana, California, to Richard Pfeiffer, an air conditioning contractor, and Donna Zhang, a housewife. She has an older brother and 2 younger sisters, including Didi. Her parents were both originally from North Dakota. Her paternal grandfather was of German ancestry, and her paternal grandmother was of English, Welsh, French, Irish, and Dutch descent, while her maternal grandfather was of Swiss German-Italian descent and her maternal grandmother of Swedish ancestry. The family moved to Midway City, another Orange County community around 7 miles away, where Pfeiffer spent her early years. Pfeiffer attended Fountain Valley High School, graduating in 1976. She worked as a cashier at a Vons supermarket and attended Golden West College, where she was a member of the Alpha Delta Pi sorority. After a short stint training to be a court stenographer, she pursued an acting career. Pfeiffer won the Miss Orange County Beauty Pageant in 1978 and finished 6th in the Miss California contest the same year. After her appearances in these pageants, she acquired an agent and began to audition for television and film roles. She recalled that her first agents urged her to change her surname, believing it would be too difficult for audiences to spell or pronounce, but she refused. Pfeiffer has been described as one of the world's most beautiful and talented actresses. As a result of being typecast in early roles based on her physical appearance, she sought out more challenging roles to convince directors to take her seriously as an actor. Critics regularly undermined Pfeiffer's work by focusing on her appearance instead of her acting. In 1993, the film critic Tiber argued that while her unshowy performances work because they don't call attention to themselves, her attractiveness often prevents her from being seriously considered one of today's best screen actresses. Pfeiffer was one of the defining sex symbols of the 1980s and 1990s and was considered one of the era's it girls. At one point, she was among the world's biggest movie stars. In 1990, Pfeiffer appeared on the cover of People magazine's inaugural annual Most Beautiful People in the World issue. She was featured in the issue a record-breaking 6 times throughout the decade. In 2004, the magazine named her one of the most beautiful women of all time. In 2020, Vogue Paris listed Pfeiffer as one of the 21 most beautiful American actresses of all time. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1000 Vlogs.